Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm going to be teaching you how to fix your nails yourself. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to any shop that sells nails, or market, supermarket, anywhere. Look for the best color that you like or the shape that you like, because there are different shapes. Okay, so the second thing you need to do is to file your hand. After filing your hand, you need to make sure that you measure the necks with your hands to make sure that everything is appropriate. I'm so sorry that the other clip of the measurement got deleted, but this is me arranging it like accordingly, and I'm arranging them two since I've already done the measurement, which is for the left hand and for the right hand. Okay, so and these are my 5 fingers, and these are like 10 nails on the table. I don't know if you guys get. So I'll be using this super glue. Okay, this is one of the best glue nails, so you can also check out and get this yourself. So the next thing is to put the super glue on your nails, and then try to like pushing the nails inside. Make sure it's not too hard on it, so that it will not destroy your fingers or start paining you later. Okay, not too inside, not too outside, just practically the same way I am doing it. When you apply, you push it in gently, and then you press in the nail so that it can sit in well. Make sure when you're doing your measurements, the nails are able to like cover all your fingers, which is depending on the fingers you are doing. You can see that all the ones I'm doing here, the nails are covering my fingers so well. Okay, so make sure. So after doing this to your right hand, you're going to be doing the same thing to your left hand. Okay, so this is me showing you guys the right hand that I've just done. You can see how beautiful and how covered it is. Okay, since it's an already made plastic nails, you don't need to like give it any opening. Okay, except if you're fixing from scratch. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So then this is me doing the second hand. So instead of wasting your money, or you don't have money and your nails are just like that because you don't have money, you can just apply this my method, because this method has been able to help me a whole lot of time. I just go get the nails and I keep them. I get them like 11221, keep them in stock. Any color I want to use, I just go ahead and do it myself. Okay, so since I don't have money, my nails will not be tattered. Okay, so yes, after that you have to fill in the nails with the super glue. This is exactly what I'm doing, so do it exactly the way you're seeing it. You're doing this because you want the nails to last longer. This fill in makes the nails last longer. Okay, and it will not pull out easily except you decide to pull it out. Okay, after that then you have to go in with your file so that you can be able to file the edges, so that everything will just sit in properly. You don't need a situation whereby you will just touch your body and it's scratching you. So after doing your left or right hand, you can see the way I am doing my right hand. Okay, you can see it is very easy. You can apply this my method of doing it so that it will be very easy on your side. If you don't like long nails like this, you can go for short nails. Me, I love long nails. Okay, I saw some video where they said that long nails like this don't make you look elegant, but to me, I don't care. This is my own elegancy. Okay, define elegancy how you want it to be. So after that, you need to go in with your white cutters, or some persons call it adna. Okay, so depending on the one you understand, but I call it white white polish. So yeah, this is the end product of my nails. You can see it. These nails can last me for about 3 to 1 month depending. Love you.